Hi everyone, myself Kushu Verma, Technical Solution Specialist for Structures at Capricorn Technologies, brings you to our weekly insight on the equivalent static method used for structural analysis in STAAD Pro Connect Edition. Before going into the session, allow me to introduce our organization, Capricorn Technologies. Capricorn is India's leading design and construction management technology solution provider for architecture, engineering, and construction. We are one of the largest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley and an authorized training center. We have more than 300 dedicated team members, and Capricorn serves over 20,000 clients in the AEC and related industries. We are delighted to inform you that we have a global footprint to serve you with the best of our abilities. Capricorn Technologies is now a part of Arcane's group. In today's insight, we will be learning how to create seismic definition by using equivalent static method, how to define and assign different load cases, how to generate load combinations, and then I'll move to the analysis and post-processing part. So allow me to switch my screen to software directly. I'll directly take you to the software part. So give me a moment. So in this session, we will perform seismic analysis of multi-story buildings using STAAD Pro Connect Edition. We will confine to static analysis today. This is the building model we will be working on. Go to the loading part. Here you can see the definition option. Just click on this plus button. Under definition, you can see various definitions available. We will select seismic definition and then click on this add button. Now from here, you will select the code according to the location of your building. As of now, I am going to select IS 1893-2016. These value, either you can manually enter these value or just click on this generate button. So this window will open. In this option, either you can select the zone or you can select the city. I'm going to select the city and then select the city where you are going to create your structure. Suppose I'm going to create my structure in Delhi. So the zone factor accordingly taken by the software. Now select the response reduction factor. I'm selecting as RC building with a special moment registering frame. So the response reduction factor has been taken by the software according to your input. Now I'll select the importance factor. Importance factor depends upon the functional use of the building. Suppose I am going to create the residential or commercial building. So this importance factor will be 1.2. Now select the soil type. I'm going to select medium soil. Select the structure type, RC MRI buildings. Damping ratio is 5% and then click on this generate button. So you can see these values has been taken by the software according to your input and then click on this add button. So here you can see the seismic definition has been created. Now click on this cell fit. I am taking the factor as 1 and then click on this add button and then close. Now I'm going to create the primary load cases. Click on this load case details. Click on add button. Select the loading type, seismic, give the name EQX plus earthquake load in, EQX earthquake load in positive X direction. Similarly, earthquake load in negative X direction. And then earthquake load in positive Z direction. And earthquake load in negative Z direction. Now select the loading type as I'm going to define dead load and live load. So select the loading type as dead load. Give the name as DL, add. Similarly, select the loading type as live load and give the name as double L. And click on this add button and close. Now click on this EQX, click on this add button, go to the seismic load part. From here, select the X direction, factor as 1, click on this add button and close. Now go to this, sorry, I have defined one extra EQX, so I'm going to delete it. Yeah, so just click on this EQX plus, click on this add button, go to the seismic load part, X direction, and then factor is taking as 1 because the load is in positive X direction. Click on this add button and then close. Now go to this EQX minus, click on this add button, go to this seismic load part, select the X direction. Factor here will taken as 1 minus 1 because the earthquake load I'm taking here is in negative X direction. And then click on this add button and close. Now click on this, similarly click on this EQZ plus, click on add, go to seismic load bar, select the direction as factor 1, click on this add button and then close. Similarly EQZ minus, click on this add button, go to the seismic load part, then go to the Z direction, and the load is in negative Z direction, so the factor will be -1. Click on this add button and then close. So here you can see the earthquake load has been defined. Now click on this STAAD load part, click on add button, self load, factor I am taking is -1. Click on this add button. Now go to the flow load part, give the value, I'm giving the value as -4, give the range 3, and height of the building is 15, wide range. Click on add button and then close. Now go to the live load part, click on this add button, go to the flow load part. I'm giving the value as -2. Select the range as 3 and 12. I'm selecting the range from 3 to 12 because we don't consider live load on the terrace generally. Now click on this add button and then close button. Cell fit, I'm going to assign the cell fit to the whole building. So go to the assign to view part and then click on assign. Yeah. And the flow load automatically assigned by the software. So after creating all the primary load cases, I'll go to the combination part. Automatic combination, click here, automatic combinations, go to the automatic load combinations. Select the code IS456, IS800. Click on this generate load option. So here you can see the combinations load has been generated. Click on this add button. So these load combination will be added here. And then click on close button. After generating the load combinations, so I'll move to the analysis part. Go to the define command. If you want all the data, then click on all and add, close. Now go to the analysis and design here. Go to the analysis, run analysis. Click here, save your structures. Analysis is going on. So go to this zero error, go to the post processing part. Click here, done. Click on this apply button. Okay. So here, from here, you can see the different options like you can see the displacement, you can see the reactions, you can see the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram for different members. So this is how you can define your seismic load by equivalent static method. From here, you can see how the seismic load will be look like on. For more videos and updates, to subscribe our channel, Capricorn Technologies Private Limited, and like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestions, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Thank you. Take care.